let's get right into it. What is Enjin? Enjin is a software that allows developers to create and manage virtual goods on the Ethereum blockchain. To put it simpler, the idea is that by using blockchain technology to manage in-game items across many different properties, Enjin can help reduce the high fees and fraud that have plagued the transfer of virtual in-game goods and collectibles. Toward that goal, Enjin has released software development kits, SDKs, allowing users to both create digital assets on Ethereum and integrate them into games and apps. There are so many technicalities here, but stay with me, you would understand this. So, how does Enjin work? Enjincoin is an ERC20 token built on the Ethereum network, which means that the project provides not only transactions but smart contracts as well. Enjin is also one of the first projects that started testing the Raiden network, Ethereum's version of the Lightning Network, before ultimately deciding to work on a custom scaling solution, dubbed Efinity. The Enjin platform provides an extensive list of features through its public API and software development kits, SDKs. These features include 1. Virtual goods creation and management. The main feature that the Enjin project offers its users is the ability to create and manage virtual goods. 2. Multiple SDKs. Enjin provides software development kits for Unity, Java, Godot, and more. 3. Marketplace. An online marketplace with over 10 million digital items that allows users to discover, buy, and sell rare and unique blockchain assets. 4. Enjin Beam. A digital asset distribution system, allowing developers to send thousands of NFTs or FTs to users with a simple QR code scan. 5. Smart Wallet. Blockchain assets wallet that seamlessly links with games and apps. 4. Efinity. An Ethereum scaling product that enable fast and free transactions of both ERC20 and ERC1155 tokens. Now let's round up by looking into ENJ token. ENJ is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. It is primarily used as the parent currency in the ecosystem's games and communities. Along with its use as a simple means of payment and exchange, ENJ is also used to mint assets. ENJ have a total supply of 1 billion, with the same circulating supply, and a market cap of about $294 million, while currently selling slightly above 2 cents. The project has cooperated with various well-known multinational corporations, including Atari, BMW, Microsoft, Samsung, Unity, Aave Protocol, and many more. Kindly let us know what you think about the Enjin project in the comments section. Guys, this is not a financial advice, but for educational purpose.
What is Flow blockchain? Flow is a high-performance blockchain specifically for creating NFTs, massive crypto games, and apps. Unlike general-purpose blockchains such as Ethereum, Flow is built to efficiently scale for potentially billions of people interacting with NFTs like in-game items. Although the new Ethereum 2.0 might have something to say about this, but that's a topic for another day. To put it in another way, Flow is a developer-friendly blockchain serving as a foundation for games, apps, and the digital assets that power them. Consumers on Flow are able to control their own data, create new kinds of digital assets sellable on open markets. The history of Flow blockchain coincidentally begins on Ethereum. Back in 2017, Dapper Labs created CryptoKitties, the world's first widely adopted blockchain game. CryptoKitties centers around collecting and breeding digital cats. At the time of its release on Ethereum, CryptoKitties became so popular that it essentially took the Ethereum network down. Because of the sheer volume of CryptoKitties-related activity, Ethereum transactions slowed to nearly a halt, taking days and exorbitant gas fees to resolve. The debacle led Dapper Labs developers to dream up their own ideal blockchain for crypto games and collectibles. It would need to be scalable to avoid Ethereum-like network congestion, and transactions would also need to be cheap, even under heavy usage. So, how does the Flow blockchain works? If you are familiar with how blockchains operate, then you know that they are generally made up of nodes that store the entire state of the currency's history and verify all transactions. Take a look at our video on blockchain to get more understanding of how it works. Flow is built for speed, scaling, and developer friendliness. The last point is essential because of Flow's aim to become the default platform for NFT creators, gaming apps, and decentralized autonomous organizations also known as DAOs. Flow, by contrast, wants to create many subdivisions of its network to allow the total work to be split across nodes, with each node only validating a subset of the transactions. To do this, the Flow blockchain skips sharding in favor of multi-node architecture. Flow has divided the validation stages of a transaction into 4 different categories, dividing the responsibilities of each node. Collection nodes enhance network connectivity and data availability for dApps. Consensus nodes decide the presence and order of transactions. Execution nodes perform computation associated with each transaction. These nodes do not have any decision-making powers. Verification nodes double-check the work done by the execution nodes. Every validator still participates in every transaction on Flow, however, they only specialize in their specific jobs. This means a variety of people with different computational and financial abilities can participate as a validator for Flow. Flow's creators argue this level of specialization allows each node to participate in the validation of every transaction, while splitting tasks to increase efficiency. Why is Flow unique? First is the multi-role architecture. Flow's design does not apply sharding technology but split roles between nodes and validators instead. The design allows Flow to have the same fast finality and scalability. The second unique attribute is resource-oriented programming and developer ergonomics. Smart contracts on Flow are written in Cadence, an easier and safer programming language for crypto assets and apps. Flow also introduces upgradable smart contracts and built-in logging support for developers. Now let's round up by looking into Flow. Flow is the native currency for apps, games, and smart contracts built on top of the Flow blockchain. Flow token use cases includes the following. 1. Flow holders can earn rewards by staking Flow as a security deposit to secure the network through validators. 2. Transaction fees for transactions on Flow blockchain. 3. Deposit for data storage. 4. Collateral for secondary tokens. 5. Participation in governance. Flow has a total supply of 1,390,757,889, with a circulating supply of 1,036,200,000. And a market cap of $2,180,318,505, while currently selling slightly above $2. For investors, the good news is that to participate in Flow blockchain and its ecosystem, users will need Flow as the gas fees. Therefore, the more projects built on Flow blockchain, the higher the probability of an increased Flow coin price. However, I think blockchain projects have started a trend of creating a special coding language for their platforms, which can actually affect the interest of developers in their projects in the long run. Would actually prefer if they all stick to one coding language so that we can focus on building useful products rather than learning new coding languages. Let me know what you guys think about Flow blockchain in the comments section. Kindly note that this is not a financial advice, but for educational purpose. Guys, smash the like and subscribe button so we can increase this community. Don't forget to turn on your notification to get notified of our amazing content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.